Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick stroll through Odoo's accounting application and check out some of its features. We'll start by opening the application, and we'll land on our accounting dashboard. Here we can view any unpaid invoices or create new ones, check out any expenses or vendor bills, import, even create bank statements, and even quickly jump in and reconcile a few line items. We'll check out reconciliation in a moment. Let's begin by looking through some of our menu items. If we look at the customers menu, we can quickly jump to any of our invoices or credit notes, payments and follow-up reports, even check out our entire product library or go check out our customers and our contacts. One item of note here are follow-up reports, which I'll touch on a little more when we get to the configuration menu. Next, we can go to our vendors and see that we can quickly jump to any of our bills or refunds that we owe to a particular vendor, check out their payments, we can look at our employee expenses, and again, check out catalogs and our vendors and their contacts. Here's where things are going to start to look familiar if you're used to using accounting software. Here we can check out all of our different journal entries, check out the different journals themselves, maybe look at our general ledger, quickly jump to reconciliation or lock dates so that no changes can be made to a record after a predetermined point in time. And if you have the Odoo commissions module, look at those commissions right here. Under reporting, you're going to see a lot more of, well, reports. Our profit and loss statement, balance sheets, ledgers, AR, AP, everything that you would expect to be in reporting from an accounting software. Under the configuration menu is where you would adjust your settings, create your payment terms, follow-up levels, build your chart of accounts, add your different journals, all of that good stuff. A couple I want to look at really quick are payment terms and follow-up levels, just to show you how easy they are to configure and use. By going to payment terms, we'll see that we've already got, well, a handful that we could use. If we click on Create, you'll see a mode will pop up as to set how much a person owes, at what point in time, or on a particular day of the month. Super simple, you've gotta love that. We also have follow-ups. Follow-ups are an easy-to-use tool to help encourage your customer to pay their bills. Odoo allows you to create your own follow-up levels, and is also set up out of the box with different levels of follow-up reports. You can see that we've got a few here to use should a customer fall behind on their payments. If we go look at this first reminder, you'll see that after 15 days, an email will be sent, as well as a letter printed, and you can configure your message here for the email to your customer to make sure that they remember to pay their bills. You can set these up to become more urgent as more time passes between a due date and payment received. I said at the beginning that we would look at reconciliation really quick, so let's go ahead and do that. From our dashboard, we'll click on Reconcile Items. As we are still setting up our restaurant business, we do not yet have outstanding invoices or bills to show. So to demonstrate the reconciliation process, let's look at some entries from a high-end furniture business. Odoo Accounting uses line matching to highlight in blue the most likely match between the invoice line and the bank statement. Watch how quickly we can reconcile these three invoices. Here we have our bank statement line, and just beneath it, our actual invoice. As you can see, it's in blue because it is using the date and the dollar amount to tie these two documents together. All we do is click Validate, Validate, and you guessed it, Validate. Boom, we're done. It doesn't get much easier than that. So there you have it, a very brief look at Odoo's accounting application. Check back next week as we cover our 6th and final installment in setting up this small food industry business, Odoo Eats, and we'll look at the planning and attendance applications. As always, thanks for watching.